In the electrifying world of cricket, few names resonate with the same explosive energy as Shahid Afridi, known to millions by the nickname Boom Boom. He wasn't just a player, he was a phenomenon. From the moment he stepped onto the pitch, Afridi redefined aggression, captivating audiences with a style that was as unpredictable as it was thrilling. Dynamic shots of his powerful stances and ferocious swings paint a picture of a cricketer who played the game on his own terms, leaving an indelible mark with every explosive performance. The legend of Boom Boom was forged in the crucible of his international debut. On a memorable day in Nairobi in 1996, a young, fearless Afridi announced his arrival to the world in the most spectacular fashion. Stepping up to the crease against Sri Lanka, he unleashed a barrage of boundaries that echoed across the globe. In an innings that would become cricketing folklore, he smashed a century off just 37 balls. A world record that stood for nearly 2 decades. This wasn't just a great innings. It was a statement of intent, heralding the dawn of a new, audacious era in cricket. But Afridi's genius wasn't confined to his blistering batting. He was the complete package, a true all-rounder whose contributions were vital with both bat and ball. Montages of his six-hitting prowess, where he sent the ball soaring into the stands with breathtaking ease, were perfectly complemented by his skill as a leg spin bowler. With a quick, deceptive action, his fast-paced leg breaks and googlies bamboozled the world's best batsmen, making him a constant threat and a captain's dream. His dual abilities made him one of the most valuable players in the limited overs format. The pinnacle of his celebrated career arrived during the 2009 T20 World Cup. Throughout the tournament, Afridi rose to the occasion, delivering crucial performances when his team needed them most. His instrumental role in the semi-final and final, where he guided Pakistan with match-winning half-centuries, cemented his status as a national hero. The scenes of jubilation as Pakistan lifted the trophy, with a triumphant Afridi at the heart of the celebration, remain an iconic moment in the nation's sporting history, a testament to his big match temperament. Shahid Afridi's legacy extends far beyond scorecards and statistics. It lives in the hearts of the fans he inspired and the countless aspiring cricketers who emulated his fearless approach. His iconic starman celebration and unwavering passion for the game created a connection with supporters that few can claim. A final, powerful shot of him standing tall on the field encapsulates his enduring impact, a true entertainer, a match winner, and a legend who will forever be remembered as the one and only Boom Boom.